Istanbul is waiting for you. A wonderful blend of care and luxury, just for you. Welcome to our little slice of heaven in Istanbul. Here you'll find a perfect blend of the city's vibrant spirit and the latest in medical care. Relax in the comfort of our 5-star hotel accommodation, designed with your comfort and style in mind. We'll take care of you with our VIP transfers, so you can relax and enjoy every moment of your journey from start to finish. We've designed our services to be as unique as you are, and we're here to make your experience the best it can be. Come and explore the wonderful A+ hospitals, where the very latest in medical technology is at your service. After your procedure, relax in our luxurious setting, where we'll take care of you. Start your path to healing with our bespoke wellness packages, designed to inspire serenity and renewal. Experience the highest standards of healthcare coupled with exceptional hospitality. Enter the world of aesthetic plastic and reconstructive surgery at Turker Ozyigit's clinic, where your journey to transformation begins.